We have discussed up to activity 1.10 as I remember. 1.9, 1.10, yes. Up to here we discussed 1.11. Activity 1.11. In order to prepare specification for a computer, you wish to complete the given table. Next page using the relevant data from the following table. So there are processors given, single core, dual core, quad core. You can select one of the processors and the hard disk, and if preferred, you can select HDD, SDD both, or either HDD or either SDD. One of these is also an option, or you can select the both. And then the monitor, and then one of these RAMs. I prefer 4 GB at least. The VGA. So you can get onboard VGA, that means which is in the motherboard. There is a graphic adapter in the motherboard itself, but there are some separate graphic adapters also, especially coming with GPU. So you can use one of that also. Then the sound card if wish. So from that you have to select these things and calculate the price of the computer. Actually, we did this actually using that PC Builder Pro website. We did that actually. So if you have not done, my advice is go and do that. So it is just a website that you can practice. Just go to that pcbuilder.pro and you can calculate that by putting, go to the calculator. In the calculator, you can calculate. You can use the motherboard, monitor, all these things. You can get customizable computer and then do the calculation and see. Okay, let's say for an example, you need, okay, let's consider you need a monitor first, LED monitor, and you need 21-inch wide LED HDMI monitor, 22-inch wide HDMI LED monitor. It costs a bit. Then you need, let's say you need SSD of 240 GB. So it's automatically calculating, right? The processor power supply, let's say you need 600 watt power supply, and then you need a processor, so which is, let's take i7 4th generation one. And let's go to the next one. You need a motherboard, and just put DDR4 H110. This one is okay. Let's select this one. Then you need a RAM, main memory. From main memory, desktop RAM. I need 8 GB DDR4. Another 8 GB DDR4. I need 16 GB. Again, put in 8 GB DDR4. Desktop RAM. Another 8 GB DDR4 RAM. You can see the cost of the machine. So this kind of calculation, the keyboard, mouse also you can put. So please try these things. Try customizing machines. Try creating computers using this. If you want, you can actually do that, right? So actually you can order the components and do that. So that's possible. You can just call the number and put your order after. You can just call them and put the order. Okay. That's it. And so the next activity is, yes, lowest values, the cheapest one. So same thing again you have to do. And question number 3. So there is a requirement specification given. It's requirement from some user. And there are 2 solutions, computer A and computer B. They are asking which one is matching or which one is closely matching with the requirements that is given. So which is suitable, A or B? Read the requirements and see. Which is suitable, A or B?
Sir, B.
B. Why? Here expectation is, you can see quad core 1. This is dual core and this is quad core. Little more than the requirement, but it's okay. 4 GB, this is 2 GB and this is machine. 2 TB hard disk. Now this has 2 TB hard disk. 19-inch monitor. This has 19-inch monitor. Separate VGA. This has separate VGA. Sound card separate, but this is on board, but it is minor thing, right? Small thing now. So you can ignore that. Windows 8 and Windows 10 is given, that is better, right? 3 years warranty, yes, 3 years warranty is there. So better select machine. Okay, with the help of, with the assistant of your teacher, find the market price of the components that the computer you have selected above. Hence the calculate total price of the computer. Yes, we have done that. That is what we did. Okay, now we have come to the milestone. And we have finished our first lesson, which is specification, which will be a little bit hard for girls because they don't like hardware much. I don't know, sometimes girls might like. Maybe my prejudgment can be wrong. So Gayatri, what do you think? So do you like software or hardware?
Software.
Software. Chamiti, software or hardware? Chamiti is silent.
Software.
Software. Lakshya, do you like software or hardware?
Software.
Yes, that is nature, right? Because you know, the first, who's the first programmer is Lady Ada Lovelace. You are from that Lovelace family. So that's the reason why girls like software a lot, right? So Lady Ada Lovelace is the first programmer. So I don't know whether that inheritance is there in your family. Anyway, since then or today, even I have seen in one industry, a lot of software developers, engineers are girls in today's industry also. So a lot of technical people related to the hardware engineering stuff are boys. So there are some girls. So so one thing, right? If you like, especially if you like hardware side, and if you are a girl, you have a lot of opportunities. Why? Only there are few girls now into hardware side, hardware and engineering side. There are few girls. So if you like hardware, so then there will be good opportunity. The other hand, if there's a boy who is very good in software, again, that opportunity is there for you as well. Because in software fields, a lot of girls are there. So if you are good in coding, so you have a better chance. So always try for the rare opportunities also. Right, okay. So let's go to the topic, electronic spreadsheets. Moving to our third tute. I think power cut has affected a lot.
So can you send me the tube?
Which one today?
This one.
The third note.
Yes.
I just drop me a message to WhatsApp, then I'll forward, right? Okay, for the moment, just refer to the note. Just drop me a message to WhatsApp along with your slip, then I'll forward that to you. Okay, electronic spreadsheet.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I send a bank slip for your WhatsApp, sir. Please, can you send me the note?
Yeah. Is it too urgent? Because I'm going to do this after the class.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Electronic spreadsheets are used for organizing and calculation. Organizing data. Which ways?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, should we write this in our book?
Yeah, if you don't have the note, you can write, but my preference is get the note and edit it. Okay. Electronic spreadsheets are used for organizing data and calculations. Here you can write, how do we organize? We can organize into charts, graphs, tables. So that is what the organizing data, right? We can create charts, graphs, tables, and also we can do the calculations. In electronic spreadsheets, we can organize data into charts, graphs, tables, and also we can do the calculations. And actually in my childhood, this is in 1996-97 period, I learned a spreadsheet tool called, the tool name is Lotus 123. Lotus 123. And let me show the interface today. So today we learned command line interface now. In grade 7 class, if you came to grade 7 class, we learned command line interface in grade 7. So this Lotus 123 had command line interface. See, this was the initial time. Actually, even before that, there were some, but this was what I experienced in my childhood. අපේ පුංචි කාලේ මෙහෙම තිබ්බා 1 2 3 4 20 වෙනකම් මේ පැත්තේ ABCDE. එතකොට මේ විදිහට තමයි data ලියන්න තිබ්බේ. එතකොට මේකේ තිබ්බා මේ තියෙන worksheet, range, copy, move, print, draft, data, insert, delete, column with changing, erasing. So those commands were there. That is command line interface. No graphics, no pointers, no mouse. So this was the one that I have used in my childhood. But now you have a lot of spreadsheet tools. Can you name a few?
Excel.
Excel, yes, correct.
Google Sheet.
Google Sheets, yes. That is a cloud-based spreadsheet platform.
Calc.
Sorry?
Calc.
Calc from OpenOffice and LibreOffice. There's both Calc versions are there, OpenOffice Calc and LibreOffice Calc. Which is free?
Both of them.
Yeah, OpenOffice Calc, LibreOffice Calc, both are free. Excel, you have to pay for license. And what about Google Sheet? Google Sheet is also free, right?
It's free, but you have to be online.
You have to be online, yes. You have to be online.
Yeah,
But
but
it is,
there is an offline version too.
yeah, there are some offline versions of tools, but the thing is better. So it is actually created to work in online or cloud platform, collaborative working with your friends and the team members. So today we are going to do such activity, right? We will learn how to collaboratively work with that. I'll tell you, right? So we will do that. Okay, then, so LibreOffice and OpenOffice, those are free. Google Sheet is also free. Microsoft Excel, you have to pay. This is Excel. And you can see this is Excel, actually 365, Office 365 Excel version. So for actually, you can see your schedule there. I have organized data and your English language schedule, science, maths classes, and ICT schedule, and other classes, which we are going to start recently, are listed here. And so this is organized in Excel. Then let's move to the version. And here in Excel, so this top line, we need to learn about the interface. This place is called, this top line or this top bar, this is called quick access toolbar. What I'm highlighting now. Quick access toolbar. The quick access tools. So can you name them? So this is home. Next is, what is this icon? What should be? Guess kala kiyan. Dan nathi wenna puluwan. Guess kala puluwan kiyan. This should be save, right? Save discut icon එකනේ තියෙන්නේ. Discut එකක් කියන්නේ save කරන්න. Discut නෙවෙයි discut. Disk තිබ්බ ඉස්සර floppy disk ඒ icon එක තියෙන්නේ. So what is this?
Quick access toolbar.
Yeah, so I'm asking the tool.
Redo.
Undo and redo. Then what is this?
Cut.
This one?
Paste.
This one?
Spell check.
Spelling checking. Yes, you can identify by the tool. Like you can identify it by the tool icon. So spelling checking here. This is a new one, right? This is not pasting. This is new. This is cut, and this is save as. Right? These are some tools. Some are correct, some are incorrect, but you can just go through. If you want, you can keep adding print. මේකට එකතු කරන්නත් පුළුවන් මේ අලුතෙන්. එතකොට දැන් මම දැම්මොත් මෙතනට okay sort ascending sort descending තව ගන්න පුළුවන්. So all these more commands and you can add more commands to the quick access toolbar. This is quick toolbar to you to work with. Then you have ribbon, home, insert. These tabs are there: home, insert, draw, page layout. These are tabs. And after that, you can see there are tools: bold, italic, underline, formatting tools, and alignment tools. So those are there. And under here, you can see the status bar. This is called sheet. Okay, so I'm asking a question. So what is inside spreadsheet? In a spreadsheet software, what you can see?
Cells and rows.
No, spreadsheet software. I'm asking spreadsheet software, Excel. In a spreadsheet software, what you can see? Yes. You can see workbooks and related editing tools and processing tools. Workbooks. Workbook is the file type that you are going to edit with Excel. Inside workbook, what you can see? Inside workbook. So this is a workbook. This is a workbook. Inside workbook, what you can see? These are called worksheets. Right? These are called worksheets. Okay, let's write down that part quickly and then come to the practical, right? This over the break not. Okay, so please write down. Spreadsheet software can be used to open, view, and edit workbooks. It has supporting tools.
Sir, how can I get the tunes?
You have to send me a WhatsApp message today. You have my number, right?
Yes, sir.
Just send me a WhatsApp message, then I'll send it to you. It has supporting tools to manipulate these workbooks. Workbooks may contain one or more worksheets. Worksheet has rows and columns. By intersecting those columns and rows are creating cells. Cell is the smallest editable unit. Cell is the smallest editable unit. Please write down this in your tute or book.
Sir, I send them WhatsApp message.
Sorry. Hello.
Sir, I sent a WhatsApp message for you.
All right. Okay. I'll check that and reply. Right. Check that and get back to you. Okay, so let's move to the next part, and you saw so what is there in a sheet, and today we are going to learn about this component. Let me show this. Okay, this is the quick access toolbar in the top. So that is the nature. So in any workbook, you can see, sorry, spreadsheet, you can see the quick access toolbar, then the title bar. Then you have the ribbons and the name box and the formula bar. Name box, formula bar, it's here. So this is called name box here. K21. K21 means K column 21 row. K wala 21. Then me tadalu paten pen. This one. This is K21. It is there in the name box. So api kiwot A1 kiyala, it will go to the first one. If I say K25, it's here. K25. So K meheng 25 meheng. So this is formula bar. This is called formula bar. Let's learn that, right? And rows are this side. You can see the row numbers. Then cell. Then the columns are having column letters, right? This A, B, C, D, E, F are column letters. That is there in the tube. And the status bar in the bottom. Then the sheets and the navigation toolbar. And then the zoom pane and all, scroll bars and the set. So that is what the spreadsheet is. Okay, now we can go to spreadsheet and start editing that. And I'm having a sheet. I have prepared a sheet. So those who come to the single medium class has already edited that. And I'm showing this to you in English medium class. Please create. So when I share this, please create a new one. Here you can use add sheet. So this is Google Sheet, right? This is Google Sheet. When I share this, please click on this add sheet. Then you will get a new sheet. Here, you will get a new sheet. Here is sheet 17. And I'm going to rename that with one of your names. Maybe, okay, Diliru. Diliru. Right? And better you can EM. EM is English medium. Diliru EM. Right here, there's another sheet, and I'm going to rename as, put a name. So you can use this navigation bar to go here and there. Diliru English medium. Then I'm going to rename this with some other name. Gayatni English medium. Gayatni. English medium. And okay. So when you get this sheet, you have to do one thing. What is that? You have to right click on that and protect the sheet. Sheet name, okay? So please right click on the sheet. First of all, if your name is not there, please create a new sheet. Then after creating a new sheet, right click on that and rename it. And after that, you have to protect the sheet. Otherwise, because this is collaborative environment, anyone can edit your document. But when you protect, only you can edit that, and also I can check that. Therefore, set permissions, and after that you can set the permissions and done it, and that is how you have to edit. Right, Diliru, I think Diliru has already protected. Diliru, did you protect it or not? Change permissions. I think I have set it to no. I'm removing the permissions. Sorry, just removing the permissions. Okay. Now you can set this because you don't have access. Sorry. And after that, what you have to do? So you can see Dasun's sheet. That is my sheet, and how I have created. I have these things: full months, month. Then short day, short month, integers, even, 3 times tables, square numbers. Then you have to start typing this and finish that. And if you know any tricks, but tricks means don't copy and paste, right? Tricks, I can copy from my one. I can take a duplicate from this, right click and take a duplicate. That is, don't do that. That is not a trick, right? That is cheating. So create a new sheet and then start typing this. Right? And I'll tell you later when you are typing, I'll tell you easy method, right? So when you are moving, when you are doing this, I'll help you. Okay, now can you understand what you have to do? You have to create a sheet, create a new sheet under your name. Then you have to start typing this table. Okay, so typing is easiest thing now. Let's start. And in case if you need help, I'll help. So you can see others already they have done that activity. And if you are there if you were there in Sinhala medium plus English medium plus both, then if you have not completed the activity, now you can complete it, right? Okay, now the time to start. I'm going to share this with you. Okay, I have copied the link. So you can do using mobile phone even. Mobile phone again karanna puluwan. Right? You can do this using mobile phone today. How? You have, so when you click this link, it will ask you to download sheets. That is free one. You can download that for free in mobile phone. When you click that, it will ask you to download sheets, and you can download sheets and edit it. Sheets natu edit karanna baya, but if you are using laptop, no need to download anything, you can edit. Start editing. Okay, now it's your time. So let's see how we are going to create. Okay. Are you going to file? Right, you have to put plus mark and then create the sheet. Okay, still no one created sheet, it seems. Now Gayatmi has locked it. You can see Gayatmi has locked her sheet. And so if you need help, please tell me, because there are students who don't know about that. So please tell me. Ravija, can you hear me? Ravija, can you hear me, Ravija? මොකද ඔයාගේ අර ෆෝන් නේම් එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. Ravija, I'll put in the screen, right? Otherwise he will not see. Ravija, can you hear me? You have to join with audio. Otherwise, you will not hear sounds. I hope he can see my screen at least. The next option is getting a call and let him know. Okay, I'll erase this, and others can do this. Others can continue to.
Sir,
Yes.
I can't add the sheet now, sir.
What's your name, Pute?
Matish.
Matisha. Why you can't add the sheet?
I click the plus mark, sir, but I can't add it.
Okay, Matisha, can you show me by sharing your screen, Pute? Share your screen and show it to me. When you click plus, what will happen? Click the plus, Pute. Plus එක click කරා මොකද වෙන්නේ? I think it's adding it, Pute, but can you go to the corner? අන්තිමටම add වෙලා ඇති. අන්තිමටම ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. If not, I'll add a sheet to you. ඒත් නැත්තම් one sheet එකක් add කරලා දෙන්න. Matisha නේද?
Yes, sir.
මේක ගන්නකො Matisha.
Okay,
I'll add the sheet, please use.
Sir,
Yes.
sir. So I couldn't add a sheet.
So what's your name today?
Lakshya.
Lakshya.
Sir, I also can't add a sheet.
Why is that? So what's your name today?
Avisha.
Avisha.
Yes, sir.
Done. Anyone else? Anyone else? Just tell me, then I can add. Ravija, can you hear me now? Ravija, දැන් ඇහෙනවද මාව? I think he's having a problem. kind of maybe connection issue something. So who else need help? If you need help, please let me know. If you can put EM.
Doesn't get added.
Sorry.
Even if I press the plus mark, the sheet doesn't get added.
So what's your name?
Shami.
Shamin. English medium added. Avisha English medium added. Ravija English medium added. Lakshya English medium added. Matisha English medium added. Anyone else? Please let me know. Pasan, can you? Sarasa, can you? Pasan, Sarasa, Sesadi. If not, tell me, then I'll add. Okay, Sarasa. Sarasa, English medium added. Dasun, Tihan, Amodi, Sarasa, Swan added. Who, I think someone has created a sheet, but no, that is not used. Sheet 23 belongs to whom? Okay, I think everyone has added a sheet. If not, tell me, I'll add, right? Ravija, your sheet is added. Senuka, is your sheet there? I think yes. Shamin, yes. Taruka, Tihan. Tihan, yes. Taruka. Taruka Dinar. Taruka ki sheet tak nahi Taruka.
Sir, I'm still doing it.
Hari. Mama, me sheet ka add karana tha Taruka. Is it okay to add?
Okay, sir.
Taruka, English medium, done. Your sheet is also added. Chamiti hari neda? Chamiti. Cannot see Chamiti's name. Chamiti Harida. Right. Chamiti, yes. You have already created that, no? Chamiti English medium. Yes, good. Sesadi. I didn't see Sesadi's name. Sesadi or Sesadi. Sandaru. I think Sesadi. I'll add Sesadi. Mama aage kak add karanna Sesadi. Ekat balanna. Sesadi English medium. Okay, Sesadi, I have added one to you also. Then Hariana no okay, Mama Hadalati. Okay, I'll give you time. So start editing this. Onna ikalangata ganna me English medium ticket Tihan's one I'll put here. Then Diru's one. Closer. Completion. Sarasa. Taruka. Then Sarasa should go here. Lakshya. Visha. Pravisha.
So I made it.
Sorry, done. With me,
Yes, sir.
Shami. Okay, if you need any help, I'll do that right now. I'm just creating the sheets. Okay, I think I have created all the English medium sheets. Seems 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, I have created almost everyone sheets for everybody. Now let's see your results today. So Chamiti, she has done that. I think she's struggling in the last one. Other things okay. Tihan is done that. Tihan has done that. Tihan, the last one, the calculation is wrong, Tihan. The other things okay. The last one, calculation is wrong. Did you manually type that? Manually type karada?
अंतिम එක අර ස්ක්වයර් නම්බර්ස් එක විතරයි manual type කරන්නේ.
Manually type karane. Okay, I'll listen. Sesadi, I think you have to start Sesadi. So what has happened today? Are you joining using mobile? Mobile එකෙන් එනවනම් මට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න. Sesadi මට ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I can't feel Scala numbers.
Right, okay. Chamiti cannot fill this kind of. Yes, what else? Who's having problems?
Sir, I don't see the chart.
You didn't get the sheet, Lakshya? It's here. Eh? Here.
Sir,
Metin,
talking-
use the
Sir,
small arrows here. Use the small arrows, Lakshya. If not, you need the link.
Sir,
If you need the link, here is it is. I'm sending the
sir,
link
I
again.
am Shamin, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, the
Shamin.
thing is, I can't see the chart in my sheet. Shamin.
Shamin, what you cannot see, Shamin?
The chart.
Which chart?
Sir, didn't you add the chart or something?
No, that's what I am asking, Shamin. You have to add that. That's what I'm telling you. That is the activity. Right? You have to look at my chart and add your chart according to that. So that is the activity given. Then chart you have to create that. I have asked you to create that. Okay, this is what Gayatmi has done. Gayatmi manually type right? Gayatmi has also typed manually. Okay, now I'm going to teach you. I'll teach you. How can we do that? Right. Okay, I'm going to do this activity in Shamin's one. See, Shamin has done nothing, no? So why did you wait, Shamin? You have to create this.
Sir, actually my internet connection is slow or something. I really can't do anything.
Hurry. Okay, anyway, what are the headings? Can you tell me the headings, Pute? First one is full month, right?
2 months.
Next one. Next one.
Days.
Days. Next one.
Short day.
Short day.
Yes.
Next one.
Short month. Short month.
Next one. Integers.
Integer.
Next one. Even numbers. Next one. 3 times.
3 times 2.
Next one. Square number.
Square.
Right, okay. I have typed this. Then what I have to do? First of all, I have to type this. Then I have to select everything. To select, I can click on the first cell, drag this until the end. First cell like a mat they click karala. I can click on the first cell, middle of the first cell. Here, I can click on middle of the first cell and drag it to the end. Agatama drag karanna puluwa. So when you want to type something, you have to select and then type. After typing that, if you want to select, click and drag to the corner. Then what should I do? I have to fill a color. Let's select dark blue. Fill a font. Let's select white. And align this to center. Okay, done. Then what should I do?
Then
I have to type the months. starting from January. So see here, I have to only type January. No need to type other months. Why? When I click on January, so can you see there's a blue color border? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me zoom this. Can you all see that blue color border, Pute?
Yes, sir.
In the bottom right corner, can you see small square?
Yes, sir.
When I move the mouse pointer here, this is my mouse pointer. When I move the mouse pointer to that square, what will happen?
It will become like a plus mark.
Yes, it will become a plus mark. See again. When I move this to middle of the cell, nothing happens. When I move it to the here corner, you can say hand comes. When I move this to this, maybe then arrow comes. Here arrow comes. When I move this to this square, a plus mark comes. Can you see? Here again, a plus mark comes. When you see this plus mark, you have to click and drag this. When you see this plus mark, you have to click and drag this. That will fill up to December. Yes, drag it until 13, and that will automatically fill that. Understood how to do this quickly? Okay, let's do this to dates, right? So what is the first day? Monday. Then what should I do? Tell me. What should I do then? I have to click on Monday.
Then with that square.
Yes, need to move to the square. Then you can see the plus sign. Then what should I do?
Then
Click and drag until which row?
until the 7th row.
7th or 8th? 7th is Saturday. I need more one more day, Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Because starting from 2 ne, dekenne patan ganna. Inda 8 wenakan yanna. Okay, short day. I have to type only month. Then what? Click on the cell. Go to the corner. Click on the plus sign. Like drag until 8th row. Short month. Jan. After that, click on the cell. Go to the corner. Click on the plus sign. Yes, click on the plus sign. Drag it until 30. Integers. I'll type 1. Then what?
Drag to the
Click and drag to the
13.
13. What will happen? All ones will come. This is not what I wanted, man. Then what?
So you have to click on the 1, 2, 3 on the.
Yes, at least I have to type 2 Pute. To identify a pattern, I have to type 2 digits. After that, I have to select both. 1, 2, both. Right? I have to at least type 2 digits because there's a pattern now. The number pattern now. Then I have to select both. After that, I have to go to the 2 and drag that. Understood? Otherwise, it will only fill once. Even number, then what should I do for even numbers? First even number is? Hello. Are you there? Or sleeping? 2. Then second one is?
4.
4. Then what should I do?
Drag to the.
I have to select both. ඉස්සලම මේ දෙකම select කරගන්න ඕන. මේ දෙකක් select කරන්න ඕන 4ක්. Control එක press කරගෙන පුළුවන්. දෙකම select කරන්න. I can click on 2, press the control button, click on the next one. It's selecting both. Right? Click on 2, control button, then click on this one. Then I can drag. Next one. Three times table. The first 3 times number 3, then 6. After that, select both and drag.
More than drag.
Next one. The first square number is 1. The second square number is 4. Then select and drag.
You can drag.
Is it correct?
No.
No.
Not correct. 1, 4, 7. It's going 3 by 3. It's wrong. Then I'll try this one. 1, 4, then pattern එක තෝරගත්තේ නෑනේ. 1, 4, then what? 9, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm selecting and dragging. Now what happened? Is it correct?
No.
No.
That is also wrong. Then what? So it's not identifying the pattern. So how square numbers are created? How the square numbers are created, Pute?
The number multiplied by the same number.
Yes, number multiplied by the same number. I can tell that. Okay, I'm trying that. Equal 1 multiplied by 1. Enter. Equal 2 multiplied by 2. Enter. Now I'm trying. Now 1, 4, 1, 4. Still not right? Okay. Now I'm going to do something like that. I'm telling equal E1. E1 means this. E1 E2 multiplied by again E2. Now I'm dragging. Now what will happen? Is it correct now?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is E2? E2 is this one. E2 into E2. Next one it will automatically take E3 into E3. Next one it will automatically take E3, E4 into E4. Next one E5 to E5. The last one will be E30 into E30. So this one you don't know, Pute. So that is okay. That's why I said that I will teach you. And I think now you know how to calculate that. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So how do I calculate? Equal sign, then E2. E2 is this column. E2. E column, second one, E2. Multiplied by asterisk. Multiplying sign is asterisk. E2 into E2. Now let's try your one, Pute. Then try karanna balanna walage. Just try your one and you can do that. You all can do that. Ihan, you can do that now, right? Ihan, can you? Ihan,
Yes, sir.
have you done that?
So in my one, when I enter that formula, that cell is blank.
Oh, wait. Let's go to the Tihan's one. Tihan's one. When you enter that, okay, can you enter that with it? E2, okay. Yeah, it's done, Nick. Tihan, hurry, Nick. Tihan,
Yes, sir.
that's correct, no? Double click. If you want to see that, double click again. If you double, then you can see the formula again, right? You need to see the formula. Then you have to double click, right? After doing that, if you want to see that back, just double click, then it will show, right?
Okay. But sir, the answer isn't showing in my one. That E2 into E2 is 1. I can't see 1. Only that cell is empty.
No, I can see that, Pute. E2 into E2 is 1. I can see that. Just click on some other cell. We all can see that. Right? I think it's not, maybe some error in your computer. I can see, we can see that. Right? We all can see. Can you see Tihan's answers? Others, that me. Diliru, can you see Tihan's answers?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. All can see that, don't worry. Sesadi is not yet done and Diliru has done that. Okay, Diliru, good. Then Matisha has done that. Correct, good. So change the colors, Matisha. Taruka is doing, okay, good. Sarasa is doing, okay, Sarasa, last one, please try. Lakshya is doing. Lakshya, yes, done, good. Avisha has done good. Ravija's not done, and Gayatmi has done that good. Shamin, I have done. Shamin's one. I'm good, right? Shamin, you're bad and I'm good. Correct your connection, Shamin.
So after I refresh the page, it's correct.
It's there, right? Okay. That's connection issue maybe. Chanut, yeah, it's in the B. Okay.
Are you done, sir?
Okay, good. Good, but everyone has done that, right? Good. That's what I want. Okay. So now everybody has done that. Let's learn the formatting part also. So if you want to format, let's do some more formatting since like we have enough time. And I'm going to do some more formatting. So I have added a heading color. Now I need to format like this. Okay, try to format like this, right? First of all, okay, see how I'm doing. I'm selecting everything and putting purple color. Can you see my page?
Yes, sir.
Everything looks
Yes, sir.
ugly, right? Then I'm selecting again all these things and putting white color font. Now a bit clear, right? Now I'm selecting everything and putting white color border. And the border size I'm increasing. Now what I'm going to do is I'll change the font color back again to, okay, no, I'll change background color. I think prefer to change the background color, not the font color. Font color is changed to black and the background color I'm changing it to light version of this. Then I'm going to do something like this. Okay, then I'm going to put some other light color like light blue maybe. Okay. So shall we do this? Everybody? Shall we format like this? So see, I only took 1 minute, right? Can you do that within 1 minute? Selecting and changing the colors. So let's give a try. Okay, I'll check. The fastest one is like Tihan is doing faster. Oh no, not it started. And what about Cecily? It's not there. And Liliru. Okay, started good. Matisha still trying. Taruka, I think the last one. Pute, Taruka, can you hear me? Taruka?
Yes, sir.
Taruka, ohuma type කරන්න එපා පුතේ. ඔයා යන්නකො පළවෙනි එකට Taruka. Go to the first one. Or 4 type.
Sir, I didn't type the. I only typed the square numbers, sir.
Yeah, square type එකට යන්නකො square number එකට මේ H2 එකට යන්න. Please go to H2 and type this. H2 එකේ type කරන්න equal සමාන ලකුණ equal sign. හරිද? H2 එකේ equal sign එකයි ඊට පස්සේ E2 multiplied by E2 මෙහෙම මම මේ පැත්ත ලියන්නම් සමාන ලකුණ E2 වැඩි කරන්න ඕන ආයේ E2 ගේ කොහොම ලියන්න බලන්න H2 එකේ ලියන්න ඕනවා හරි H2 එකේ පුතේ ඒකල එන්ටර් කරන්න
Okay, sir.
Enter කරාද H2
Not yet, sir.
Huh? Can you share? Share කරන්න තාරු. Screen එක share කරන්න පුතේ. I'll help you. ඒකේ නෙවෙයි ඊට උඩ එකේ. ඔක මකන්නකො. ඒකත් මකන්න. ඔය ඊට උඩ එක තියෙන හතරක් ගහලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒකට යන්න. හරි. එතන සමාන ලකුණ equal E2 ඊට පස්සේ වැඩි කිරීමේ ලකුණ තරුව asterisk. shift එකත් එක්ක 8 නේද? shift එකත් එක්ක 8 ඉලක්ක. ආපහු E2 enter කරන්න. හරි දැන් අර හරිය දාන්න එතකොට ඔය හරි නේද?
Yes sir.
මතක තියාගන්න අපි තව ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරමු ඉස්සරහට. දැනට නිකන් මතක තියාගන්නකෝ. තාම ඔයාලට ඔක හරියටම තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. We will practice in the future, right? ලක්ෂය. Doing the editing. පාට ලක්ෂය දාලා. Different colors like rainbow. Yes. Avisha, I think still doing. And yes, Gayatri has done that very good. Shamin, I think you have to at least color this, Shamin. I think your connection is very slow, Shamin. It's okay, so you can just try at home. And you can see a lot of students. Okay, what has happened? Matisha, everything deleted? All of a sudden, you can undo. Control Z. Oh, here, this sign, this is undo. එහෙම මැකුණා නම් undo කරන්න. දෙපාරක් විතර undo කරන්න. එතකොට හරියයි. බලන්න බැරි මොනොත් ආයෙ ලියන්න වෙනවා. Tihan, okay, Tihan is trying, I think. Okay. I think the first one to finish either Chamiti or that. I don't know.
How to get borders?
Borders.
Border color?
This borders. Can you see?
So border colors.
Click on that. Then select from the color pencil here, border color.
Yeah, I'm also finished.
Okay, good. Right, Pute. Then I think you have enjoyed the activity. So there are some students who couldn't do that. And I think, right. There are some students who couldn't do that. I'll keep in touch with them. Maybe I'll help you them in the practicals. Then with that, I'm going to stop for today. Okay, good. I'll stop from here. Those who have not done, please finish it. Even though class is over, just finish it and let me know if you have any issues. Then good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir. Thank you.